So, the most critical thing you need to know when facing either a federal or state collection action is that both the state and the Fed are required to give you notice before they can take certain legal actions to start collecting on the taxes that you owe them. The federal government will send you a final intent to levy notice in which you will have 30 days to take an action to appeal their collection procedure, either the way they're going about trying to collect it or the amount of tax that's at issue in certain situations. What taxpayers need to keep in mind about this final notice is that for it to be legally sufficient, all the IRS has to do is send it to your last known address, which would be the address on the last tax return you filed. If you have moved since that date and didn't give specific notice to the IRS, it may have gone to the last address where you file a tax return, and that is legally sufficient to start the 30-day clock ticking. You're not completely out of luck, but there's a different procedure other than the collection due process appeal that we need to talk about. If your issue is with the federal government, you will receive a notice entitled Notice of Intent to Levy, or some sort of final notice about an intent to levy, including your rights to an appeal. You could have also received something called a Notice of Federal Tax Lien. In order for a lien to be effective, it needs to be filed with the county recorder in the county in which you live.